Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Прокидатися.
To get up.
Вставати.
To brush teeth.
Чистити зуби.
To wash face.
Мити обличчя.
To have breakfast.
Снідати.
To take a shower.
Приймати душ.
To go to work.
Іти на роботу.
To go to school.
Іти до школи.
To study.
Вчитися.
To work.
Працювати.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.